Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and today we are looking at inexpensive watches that look and perform like far more costly timepieces. I will give you a dozen watches starting around $30 up to around $75 that make you look like you spent a ton of money to capture that refinement. And surely you know the routine by now. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches. Okay, we are just about ready to roll, but first let's do a quick wrist check. You are looking at the Rollstimi diver, the RT7901. This is a diver that gives you stainless steel, sapphire crystal, a milled clasp, textured dial, and tons of double takes because it's awesome. This watch is barely $50, and that is a steal. Okay, right out of the gate, we're bringing you a quality watch with an extreme value. This is the WM207. As you know, WM is rebranding for the micro-brand Welly Merc, and honestly, I just love it. The logo is nice and simple, and the quality of their watches is beginning to rival the heavyweights at AliExpress. Now, as far as this watch, the WM207, they call this the Birch Forest series, and honestly, this just looks awesome. There are several colors to choose from. You see the silver white, deep blue, forest green, and of course, the one we have here, the sky blue. Each color variant has been thoughtfully chosen to capture the changing light through the seasons in a birch forest, presenting this very unique aesthetic. This watch is 36 millimeters in diameter, 45 millimeters lug to lug, and the case is only 9.4 millimeters thick. It's 18 millimeters at the lugs. This watch is 316L stainless steel, and you get AR-coated sapphire crystal along with 100 meters of water resistance. You are also getting a VH31 Mecha quartz that sweeps around the dial. This is an incredible value. Just look at that dial. It certainly looks more expensive than the $51 they are selling it for. And we're at number 2, and we're going to jump over to Ashford. This is the Dominatore Del Mare. This is the DD802166. I gotta be honest, this is a really nice looking watch. Okay, this beauty has 42 millimeter stainless steel case diameter with a 50 millimeter lug to lug. The case thickness is 11 millimeters. This is a very nice daily wear with a two-tone dial. It actually is available in several color variants, and I'll share those with you now. It comes with a Japanese Mecha quartz, which means it sweeps around the dial very similar to an automatic. If you want a reliable watch that is just specced out with stainless steel and sapphire, this may be your guy. This beauty is on sale now for $65 at Ashford. We are at number 3, and I just love this next watch. This is a beautiful chronograph by Addiesdive. Just look at that shine. This chrono is around $60, but it looks like it's twice that much at least. This is an Addiesdive AD2034. And this, of course, is in the black and silver, but it's also available in white and black. Here at number 4, we have a beautiful dress watch by Carnival. This one here is in emerald green, and it's on the way to the house. This is the C889 4G2. You get a beautiful dress watch with a Miyota movement, a 10 millimeter ultra thin case with stainless steel, a genuine leather strap, and a 3D curved sapphire crystal. The case is 42 millimeters in diameter with 20 millimeter lugs. You get an option of a black or brown leather strap, and look at these color options. It comes in silver green, which I have on the way to the house, but the model is also available in black and gray and blue. This really is a gorgeous timepiece and less than $75. What an incredible price for such a beautiful watch. No one would ever believe what you paid for it. That is 4 down, and for number 5, we're going back to WM. This is the WM176, which also brings you stunning value. This is WM's latest chronograph, and just have a look at this watch. It feels like a $300 watch, but it's not. It's actually $50. It comes with a Seiko movement, the VD53. It's 316L stainless steel everywhere. You get sapphire crystal and excellent lume. You also get a minute dial, small seconds disc, and a calendar. As far as the dimensions, it's 39 millimeters in diameter, 45.5 millimeters in length, and 12.8 millimeters thick. Now, do keep in mind that it's only 50 meters of water resistance, but look, this is a lot of watch for the money. Currently, they're asking $51 for it. You may want to get yours before they realize they're nearly giving it away. I've said it before, you might want to get in line with WM because they are starting to compete with the heavyweights on AliExpress. This is number 6. This is a watch they call the Airplane watch by Shanghai. This watch is the 8120 ZH19. This is a watch that is really popular on AliExpress. I've owned mine for several years and it's been steady and it looks great. Take a look at that unique seconds hand. I've always thought each collector should have a unique watch in their collection. This, although remarkably good looking, is just unique enough with that seconds hand that I had to have it. I admit I don't wear it that often, but it gives that classic retro feel, and I really do love it. This watch is on sale at AliExpress for around $35, but it sure does look a lot more expensive. And that's 6 down. We are just at halfway. But before we move on, I wanted to ask if you would, please consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoy our content. It will only take you a second, but honestly, it really does help. We are at number 7. This is by Pagani Design. It's the PD1764. I remember when this watch first came out and how difficult it was to get. It took a little while, but we finally got one. Just look how that red and black contrast each other. The silver hands and hour markers just look great against that black and red. The case back, crown, bracelet, and bezel is 316L stainless steel, and that crystal is AR-coated sapphire. This watch is powered by an NH35 automatic movement, and everyone knows how solid and consistent that movement is. You get 200 meters of water resistance, and this watch can be worn at the office, at church, or hanging out with the guys. This watch, believe it or not, is less than $65. What if I told you that this beautiful automatic dress watch by Seestern could be yours for less than $65? Well, it's true. This is the ST1701 dress watch. Some people have purchased it as an everyday casual watch, and that's fine, but it's also a dress watch. This one here is tough enough to be whatever you would like it to be. This is a 38mm case with stainless steel, with sapphire crystal, AR coating, and a beautiful leather strap. It's also got a seagull movement. It has a small seconds hand subdial just above the 6 o'clock position, and it's available in several colors. I have the airy blue here, but it's also available in white, ivory, and a dark blue. Anytime you can get an automatic watch with Seestern or Sugis' name on the dial for less than $70, that's like winning the lottery. Wait till you see the one that's coming up next. This is by Rollstimi RT7904. This beauty here has the VH31 Mecha Quartz movement. It's loaded with stainless steel. Take a look at that hand sweep around the dial. This really is a great looking dress watch with a very reliable movement. This beauty here has the VH31 Mecha Quartz movement. It's loaded with stainless steel. Take a look at that hand sweeping around the dial. This really is a great looking dress watch with a very reliable movement. Rollstimi has put out some really nice timepieces, and they have one of my favorite divers as well. What would you guess this watch costs? It's a great looking dress watch, or some people will use it as a daily wear. How about $29? That is insane value for the price, and it's available in several variants. You have different colors, different straps, and bracelets. No one can look at this watch and know you paid less than $30. We have reached number 10, and this is another Pagani. It's the PD1727. This elegant watch costs in the mid-50s, and people that see it in the street never believe it's that inexpensive. So you get stainless steel, AR-coated sapphire crystal, a solid movement, and a bracelet that has solid links and solid end links. $55 is an incredible price for a solid timepiece. It's available in Tiffany blue, white, green, and this one, which is in pink. And we have traveled all the way to number 11. This is the Specht and Sohne SP0008. This beauty houses a Miyota 8215 automatic movement and comes in a variety of variants. This watch is made of 316L stainless steel and has a screw-down crown. The case diameter is 40 millimeters and 11 millimeters thick. You can find this one for around $75 at AliExpress. Okay, that's 11 bangers down, and this is the last one, and we're going out on a rail. This is by Parnis. This is the PA6100. This is a very nice and capable chrono. It functions like a watch that costs 3 times and will last you a very long time. The case is 39 millimeters in diameter and a lug-to-lug is 46 millimeters. It's 316L stainless steel and that dial is protected by a nice piece of sapphire crystal. The stainless steel case has solid links and end links. Here you can see all of the variants that this chrono comes in. You get a ton of choices, which is always a good thing, and again, less than $75 is insane. That was 12 bangers today, and we gave you a wrist check for a total of 13. If you saw anything that you liked today and you want to know more, we did put links in the description. Go there, check them out, investigate it. Make sure there's something there that you like and something you would want. If so, just remember My Dude Watch does get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Hey, you made it to the end of another video. Thank you for doing that. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please take the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It'll take you only a second, but it really does help. I've been told it's time to wrap it up, so we are going to close the show. But thank you again for watching. I really do appreciate that. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch, and we'll see you next time. But wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late.